Welcome back to Quarantine Cruise 53. Now this is so awkward for me because I haven't been to a Quarantine Cruise in a year. My last one was Quarantine Cruise 42, if you can believe it. Good reason why, I don't know if you can see, my car in the back is the green GTO with the yellow halos. Those are my new banging headlights. Go check out that video. I love them. I absolutely love them. Now, here's the deal. I haven't been here for a year because I elected to put a new full floating rear axle in the GTO, forward 9-inch from Curry, and that project ended up me mini tubbing the GTO. So when I walk around the GTO, I'll show you my new 335 rear tires. I love them, they look sick, and now I have to do the front tires. So if you're not familiar with my channel, 90% of what I do is working on my car to give you guys inspiration to work on your car, because if I can do it at home, so can you. Now, without further ado, let's go shoot some hot cars to give you some build ideas, and then we're gonna go on a little mini road trip cruise, and hopefully I get some good driving footage. So subscribe if you haven't, lots more to come. Let's go. There we go. All kinds of crazy stuff here. Yeah, Modelo time. So here's the GTO. You guys haven't seen it before. It still has the original Pontiac 400 block. It's now a Butler Performance 470. Putting around 500 horsepower, 600 pound-feet of torque. It's fun. Fuel injected by Phytech. They're my new banging headlights. They're black. I love them. Yellow halos you saw. You can do white halos if you want. US mag wheels. Yeah, I'll get to it. I'll get to it. You want to see the rear? Yeah, they're nice and fat. I hope someone else gets some footage of me today on the road. It's the one thing I can't do. Film myself drive. Fly Navy. Just a ton of Camaros. I'm gonna pick out my favorites. Let's start with this one. This one might be for sale.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Yo, see? Good to see you, dude.
You too. You too. Made it, huh?
Tell them the boys and girls in YouTube land the latest car you got. Is this
the latest car?
The Camaro right here?
69 Camaro, yes.
Yes.
I'm trying to sell so I can upgrade.
Right.
Because it's never enough.
Never enough.
No.
So Steve owns Famous Whips, and we met on the road to Reno.
Sure did.
All right.
Yep.
The most epic 75 days we spent in a row.
Awesome.
Right? And their company basically sells old classic cars, right?
Yep. We help people list their vehicles.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So follow them on Instagram. List them all the time.
Great.
I just can't afford them. Good to see you, bro.
You too. You too.
I know it's not a Nova, but you gotta follow them. Look at this thing. This is fun. Look at the elevation of the air cleaner. Phytech. Give me that big hole. Nice and clean. Nice roll cage. Paint matched. There you go. Yep, this is Ralph. Also from Road to Reno. From San Diego as well. Drove up here. I love his ride. GMC truck, 71. Ooh, man. You like it? It's for sale. Interior's sick. Jose's got his truck here. Also the Road to Reno group. Survive the hot August night's madness. Long and black. Okay, insert joke here. Funny. But seriously, where do you park this thing? Love the interior. Wow. Love the intake here. Oh my god. The black paint, super smooth, super flat. Black and red. Go Aztecs. Holy Cerakote, Batman. Look at all the gold parts. Besides the exterior color, everything else is Cerakoted. Thank you, Cerakote SoCal. David is the man. Look him up if you ever need parts done, because he does some beautiful work. Especially if you want to get your Whipple coated. Heyo. Yep, carbon fiber everywhere. And that's what it'll do to your checking account, that skeleton. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Seriously, I can't get enough of this. Especially in the sun. Scary! Rick's Camaro never gets old. I hope I get to catch him on the road today. I love the way his car sounds, I love the way it sits. And he, like me, builds everything at home. Good job, Rick. More Whipples. Love the color combo. This Impala is so smooth. You would never know it had a Whipple and it pulls up, except for the wine, of course. But the color combo, and wait to see this interior. Wait for it. That looks so comfy. My God. Split nose, finally. A lot of Gen 1s here today, but this one's caught my eye with a side exhaust. I'll take it. This has got to be the most expensive build here. This is a 36 Ford, and if you missed it, that engine is a Chrysler HEMI. I hope I can catch him fired up. But this is so freaking smooth. If you can see it up in front, the fender is cut out for the head. Wait for it here, let's see if we can catch it. Of course the owner's in my way, but look at, see the fender? It's cut out for the head. Sick. You guys know I'm loving trucks, but this little mint greeny build is just so smooth, especially with the black accented bed, like dark wood. Man, the interior is so clean. This is Bill with Black Widow exhaust. This thing is a drifting beast. Wait till you see where the exhaust is located. Clearly it's an exhaust company. Why not put it out the bed like a semi-truck? Just like that. Yep. Drifting brake, the works. Love it. If you're gonna do a project, you might as well put something fun in the engine bay. Like an LSA, why not? Nice gas right here. Super clean paint. I know it's tough to tell with this weird sunlight, but wait for the engine. Ooh. That must sound wicked. I honestly haven't seen this before. An LSA in a Camaro. That must be fun. So sometimes these cruises, as fun as they are, you sometimes get stranded where there's no one around to film, and it's so frustrating. We'll see if we can catch someone. Oh yeah, I love the sound of this car. Woo. At least that's fun. That's when you're doing it right. All right, got a tunnel coming up. You know how much we love tunnels. Ha! That was a fail. I proved I cannot shift and hold a camera and steer at the same time. So I'll work on that skill. You guys, we made it to the meetup spot. GTO's chilling really nice. Everyone say hi to Ken. That's Ken. Ken the big dog.
What's up, dude?
How's it going?
Fast Monty's Garage.
How you been?
What's up, Mike? How you doing, man?
Good to see you.
Good seeing you. Thanks for coming out.
Yeah. How long have you guys been doing this show?
It's been like 4 years.
Crazy.
Yeah.
So crazy. You guys put on like every month.
Yeah. You went to the first spot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
It was huge. It was huge.
Yeah, it was good.
It was there was a ton of people there.
Yeah.
More than, well, I haven't been in a year.
Yeah,
So,
it's been a while.
right? Because
So,
I've been working on that thing.
Absolutely.
Right?
Thanks for coming out, man.
But man, I love what you guys put together. And
It's a team effort, man. We got a lot of people. All the people, obviously, that have incredible cars. I mean, it's not just us, right? It's the people that have really clean cars and nice cars, and well, it doesn't even matter. I mean, you just got a classic
pivot
car.
with me.
A classic car, right?
There he
As long
goes.
as you have a classic car, stoked that you come out.
Yeah.
Jason, Patrick, Heck, myself, man, we put in a lot of work. We got a lot of people behind the scenes that make this happen, and again, we just do it for free. It's free to the people, right? It's a free event, and
What blows my mind is that it doesn't matter what vehicle, frankly, as long as there's gasoline in it. No, I did see a Tesla last time. But
there's a couple.
yeah, it doesn't matter. I mean, you can bet motorcycles,
Yeah.
VW Bugs, brand new Corvettes, everything's here.
Absolutely. I mean, we really try and push the classic American muscle cars. I mean, resto mods, as well as your just, stock numbers matching cars as well. I mean, as long as it's a classic, and we want that thing to come out here and just cruise.
Yeah,
Come
for
and
sure.
hang out, show your stuff off.
Have
Everybody
fun.
wants to show their junk off, right?
Absolutely. And if you break down, there's someone behind you to back you up.
Yeah, right. That's that.
Right?
There's a
So-
lot of great mechanics, And I don't
absolutely.
mean junk by like junk, but it's really nice stuff. So yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Well, thank you so much, brother.
I appreciate it, Mike.
And hey guys, all the links are below for Ken, Heck Tattoo, everyone cruising PCH. So give them all a follow. And if you're in Southern California, or doesn't matter, on the west side of the United States,
right?
You got to make the show.
Yeah, we had people from Canada come out, Germany, from like all the way from the East Coast. Everybody comes out to this event, and it's really cool to see people come out from everywhere, right, and experience it. So yeah, thanks, Mike.
Right on, brother. Appreciate it. Look at how nice the GTO looks when it's dirty with the new fat tires on it. Even the sidewall's higher. It's like admiring my own artwork. Sorry, guys. Okay, need some opinions on this one. Patina, long bed, spoiler. Oh, maybe they're part of the Optima series. That'd be cool to see out there. All right, I think it's about time for me to leave. I love this show because you can come and go as you please. It's awesome. It's a car show, but it's not a car show. So if you're anywhere near Southern California, you gotta check out the Quarantine Cruise because it's just a ton of fun. So subscribe if you haven't. I got a bunch of projects lined up, including a skid plate for my oil pan, which should be available for any GMA body, at least 68 through 72, so stay tuned for that. That's gonna be a fun one. And yeah, you guys know the drill. Build them fast, drive them faster. See ya.